Hello, my name is Seçil. In this video, I'm going to explain a Java program that finds the distance between 2 points in 3D space. First, we ask the user to enter the x, y, and z values for both points. Then the program sends these numbers to a method called distance3d. Inside the method we use the distance, the formula, and we take the difference of each axis, square them, odd them, and then take the square roots using math CQRT. And finally, the program prints the distance between the 2 points, and that's it.